How are you doing? My name is Jussi. I'm a freelance filmmaker and this channel is all about videography and video editing tips and tutorials. Today I'm gonna take you behind the scenes of a video that I made for my client, a Filipino restaurant called Paisano here in Helsinki, Finland. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, unfortunately I couldn't get everything covered because my second camera guy couldn't make it and I had to use a tripod for my second camera instead. But if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about videography and video editing, subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so you won't miss anything. Thanks for watching and see you next Monday. Take care.